Okay, today we are going to talk about the app called the Mist app. So, in this app I have used, and now I'm going to review this app. So here, this app. Do you think this app is useful or not? Okay, so yes, you can get rewards by playing games over here. You just have to download and play, and then you get rewards. So I have these points, and yes, I have also got the reward, and I can show you the reward which I have got over here. Okay, so yes, you can play games and you can get a reward like the Amazon, Tim Hortons, PlayStation, DoorDash, and you have. But the bad thing about this one is you have to play a lot. You have to make the checkpoint. Like I have this one checkpoint. I have downloaded the 8 games. Okay, so yes, you can get reward. You can get the bonus points, but it's not easy. You have to play 1 month or 2 month, okay, because you can't play the whole day, right? So yes, yeah, this app I will give like